Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So this is going to be a quick video. To start off, I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer, and I use this for glitters as well as shimmers and just very light colors just to make my eyeshadow pop. So I'm going to put this right in the inner part of my eyes. Next, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that orangey gold shade and put that right on top of the primer that I put down. Now I'm just taking a brush and just blending out that eyeshadow a little bit more. And for the final step, I'm just going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this video and that it was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment, because I want to hear from all of you. If you have any suggestions for makeup looks or anything you want to see, please let me know so that I can do that video. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as on my social media handles. And I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.